one analysis. We are what are we doing? We are going to look at the stability of the system. So for that, what we are going to do to analyze the stability of the system, we are going for a construction that is we will be doing it in class. Okay, so we are going for a construction that is root locus. The construction of root locus and its interpretation. The question will be like this. Put it down. The question will be like this. Sketch the root locus of the system. Sketch the root locus of the system whose overload transfer function is. Sketch the root locus of the system whose overload transfer function is. Whose overload transfer function is. So you know that now this is the system. This is the system. We will be giving an input to it. Then we will be giving an output. So we have taken that input as what? Let us go for overload system. The system is considered to be G of S. If suppose feedback is given, means it will be considered as H of S. Okay. Since it is an overload system, we are not going to consider the H here. Because we are not going to consider the feedback here. So let's assume first initially H is what? 1. It is no need of the feedback. It is for our assumption I have told you that H is 1. Okay. So in order to construct this root locus, first step, it is given that G of is equal to this is what? Overload transfer function. They given us overload transfer function. Then just what is the question will be like this. Sketch the root locus of the system whose overload transfer function is G of is equal to A by S square plus 4 into S plus 4. Okay. So first step, what do you have to do? First step, you have to identify the poles and zeros. Okay. So find the first step is what? Find the poles and zeros. So we want to know that what is the poles and what is the zeros. If numerator as well as denominator, right? In numerator, there is anything as domain. For example, here it is not there. For example, if numerator is there, s plus 2 means the denominator is s plus 2. Right? We have to equate that into 0. And when we get it that s is equal to what then? Plus 50 of percent means it will be minus 2. So we have to take that 0 is what? 0 is minus 2. Yeah, but in our problem there is no zeros over here. Okay, so just no need to make this calculation. Just what we have to do, we have to make the numerator is equal to 0. So since the numerator is no, which means there is no numerator, right? There is no s. So we don't need to consider this condition. Okay, just input there is no zeros, there is no zeros. Here, there is no s numerator, so there is no zeros. For next, what we have to see the denominator. For denominator, we have the equation to 0. How many s numbers are there? S into s plus 3 into s plus 4 is there. We have to equate all that to the 0. Denominator is equal to 0. So I have to equate all that to the 0. So we can say that s is equal to 0 from the first. If we equate this, like this from the second, s plus 2 equal to 0, and s is equal to minus 2. And if suppose like s plus 4 is equal to 0, then s is equal to minus 4. So what are the poles here? S is equal to 0, s is equal to minus 2, and s is equal to minus 4. So the poles are 0, minus 2 and minus 4. The poles are what? 0, minus 2 and minus 4. So now what you have to do, you have to take your graph sheet. Let us illustrate graph sheet. Okay? Just take your graph sheet and mark this x-axis over here as sigma, and this is as this imaginary positive axis A omega, and here it is negative coordinates, so minus A omega. Here, and this will goes up to infinite. The sigma will go up to infinite. And now we have to mark this poles and zeros. To mark these zeros, we have to remember that zero should be marked. Okay. Zero should be marked in the graph. Mark it as 0. Okay. Small round. And to mark the poles, just make a cross of the pole points. Okay, so we can say that what? Poles are 0. So cross it is 0. And then we give this what? Minus 1. Minus 2. Minus 3. Minus 4. Right? Next what we have to do? The cross the minus 2. Because that is a pole. As well as next pole is minus 2. So the cross will be minus 2. So, is there any zeros there? No. If there is zero, first I made assumption like numerator is plus 2 means we have to equate to 0, then s will become minus 2. So what you have to do? You have to make the round outs. Like you have to make a 0 in the point minus 2. If it exists, but in our problem there is no zeros. I will tell you one more problem based on zeros also. Okay. First, initially you have to only mark the poles. So now I have marked the poles. Okay. The next step, what you have to do is, so after marking the poles, step 2. Find the root locus. So now we have 3 points, right? The poles are okay. So from there, on the real axis, this is what? This is what? Real axis, right? This is what? Imaginary axis. The real axis, I am going to find that where the root locus exists. Okay, so where the root exists, how we will be finding that? Okay, how will we finding that root locus comes there? Okay, for that, what you are going to do? You are going to assume. Okay, you are going to assume in here test point. You are going to assume what? A test point. See, I am just going to draw the real axis alone from the point of 0 here. This is our pole 0 and here is our pole minus 2. I am just zooming of you. Okay. And the graph I have just made only the real axis for our clean observers. Okay, just 0 minus 5 minus 4. What I am going to assume? A test point. So, if there is test point, if I am placing over here means, okay, we have to look at this side. From the test point to this side. If it is odd number of poles, okay, from the test points, if I look at it means, if there is odd number of poles means, yes, it is a root locus. It has the path of root locus. So, if I am considering the root test point, if I am looking after that, if there is even number of poles means, there will not be the path of the locus. So, if I test point is here, if I look from here means there is one number of poles. That is odd, right? So, if I am looking at test point over here means have to darken it down. That is, the testify if it is here means I am having odd number of poles. So here exists the root locus. Likewise, if I look at here means there is a given number of poles, the whole area. In this particular area, it will not be the, it does not exist root locus. Root locus exists from here also. What I told here it will go up to where? Infinite. This is what will go up to infinite. The root locus exists from where to where? Root locus exists from 0 to -2 and -4 to infinite. Clear? Up to this next what we have to do. Next step. After finding the root locus on the real axis, the next step we have to do step number 3. Find the angle of asymptotes and centroid. This is an experiment. What I am going to do? I am going to find out the angle of asymptotes and centroid. To find this, I am going to follow. That is, to find out the angle of asymptotes. What is the formula? That is 180 degree plus 2q plus 1 divided by p minus z. Here p is what means number of poles and z is what is number of zeros. Okay, can we do it? That is 180 plus what you have to know that what is that q? Right? Q is what means q is the value that is from 0, 1 up to where means 4 minus 0 minus 1. This is the standard formula to find out the value for q. So if q then how much it is 0, 1 up to p is what number of poles is 3. Number of zeros is nothing is 0 minus 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So what will be the q then? Q will be 0, 1, 2. That's it. Okay. So you have to substitute that in the angle of asymptotes like this. So I'm doing it here. Okay. So if I substitute q is equal to 0, then my angle of asymptotes, angle of asymptotes will be how much? 180 degree plus q is 0, right? 2 into q means it will become 0. If q is 0 means 2 into 0 what? 0. So it will be there. Divided by p is what? 3 minus 0. So it will become 180 degree divided by 3. If we cancel it will be 60 degree. First angle of asymptote is what? 60 degree. Likewise, we have the substitute of q equal to 1. Then what's our angle will be like? 180
degree minus
plus
2 plus 1.
2 into q means 2 plus 1 that is 3 divided by
3.
One thing I am very wrong, that is it is not the formula standard formula is 180 into. Okay, 180 into 2 plus 1. Okay, so that is how okay, 180 plus 1 means 181. So it is into. Okay, 180 into 1 divided by 3 minus 7. So 180 into 3 divided by 3. Okay, so what is the answer then? 180 degree. So if I substitute q is equal to 2 means what is my answer then?
180 degree
180 into
5.
5 divided by
3.
3. So if we cancel this means
60.
60 into 5 will become 300 degree. So what are the angles of asymptotes?
60 degree,
180 degree and 300 degree. Okay. Okay, now we know the angle of asymptote. So angle of asymptote is what now?
60 degree,
That is 60 degree,
180 degree,
180 degree and
300.
300 degree. Next what you have to find out? Centroid.
Centroid.
Okay. To find out the centroid, the formula is sum of poles minus sum of zeros divided by number of poles minus number of zeros. Okay, this is the y-axis formula to find out center. So sum of the poles. What are the poles we had? That is 0,
0,
minus 2,
minus 2,
minus 3. So sum of the poles means
minus 4,
sorry, minus 2. 0, minus 2, minus 4. Sum means just we have to add it, right? So plus it will be a minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 4. Here 0, there is no 0, sum of 0. Number of poles is 3, number of zeros is 0. So if we substitute that, it will add minus 6 by 3. So it will become minus 2. So now we know that what? We know the poles 0, minus 2, minus 2. In this poles, where is our poles is going to come? The point of centroid is where? Minus 2. So this is our centroid. Okay. From this center, you are going to place your protractor over here. Okay. Remember whatever I answer. Angle of origin 60 degree. Okay, 60 degree. If you see a 180 degree, it will be a straight line, right? 180 degree. Okay, and angle 300 degree. Okay, so we will be marking this after keeping your protractor. The center point is centroid. The minus 2 as center. Place your protractor over here and mark 60. 180, then reverse your protractor, you will be seeing a 300 degree, mark that. Then what you have to do, you have to mark that 60 degree, that is angle of obstacles, only in the dotted line. Only with the dotted line. Like this, here is also dotted line. Like this, 300 degree also, mark it in the dotted line. Clear? This is what angle of and centroid will do. Clear? Next, what you have to find out is step 4. You do up to this. I will try to do this. Next, step 4. We have to find out the breakaway. And breaking point. To find out breakaway and breaking point. Okay. For this, what we have to do is breakaway and breaking point is nothing more. Value of the proposal is going to come from the 0 to minus 2 and your minus 2 is here centroid. The breakaway and breaking point will come only in the existing part of the process and which we have noted from the previous step. Existing part of the process is from 0 to minus 2 or else from minus 4 to infinite. Okay, it will not lie between minus 2 and minus 4. But here we know that our centroid is minus 2. So the breakaway breaking point is going to be between 0 to minus 2. It will be over here somewhere. Okay. To find that, what is not we are going to consider is we are going to construct a characteristics equation. We are going to write what? Characteristics equation. For that, what we are going to do is closed loop. We are going to consider what? Closed loop transfer function. What is the formula for closed loop transfer function?
G.
That is G of S output there. Closed loop transfer function that will be H, right? So, what is the transfer function for closed loop system then? G of S by 1 plus G of S into last step. Okay, g of s divided by 1 plus g of s h of s. Okay, so this is the closed loop transfer function. Closed loop transfer function. Okay, and by using this, what we are going to do? We are going to find out the breakaway point. Breakaway point. What is our g of s here? What is the quotient? Open loop system. What is g of s given in the quotient?
A by S plus
S into S plus 2 into
S plus 4.
S plus 4. Substitute in the closed loop transfer function. What did it become? K by S into S plus 2 into S plus 4 divided by 1 plus K by S into S plus 2 into S plus 4. Is there any hash? No. So it is what? 1. Clear? You have to assume it is 1. There is no match means don't put it as 0. There is no feedback which means 1. Okay. So this K divided by solve this mathematically S plus 4 divided by we cross multiply what will become S into S plus 2 into S plus 4 plus K divided by S into
S plus 2 S plus 4.
this denominator and here will cancel. What is the answer for this transfer function then? K divided by S into S plus 2 into S plus 4 into plus K. And this is now your closed loop transfer function. Now what you have to do to find the breakaway point? Equate the denominator to 0. What is the denominator? S into
S plus 2
into
4 plus K equal to 0.
So if we multiply this,
S
it will
square
become
plus
x square plus 2s into s plus 4 plus k equal to 0. And if we multiply once again, what will become?
S cube
S cube
plus
plus
4S square
4s square plus
2S square
2s square
plus
8s
8S equal
plus
plus
k
K
equal
equal
to
to
0. So this will become how? S cube plus 4s square plus 2s square will become
6S square
6x square
plus
plus
8S
8s plus k equal to 0. We are going to find out the value of k. So if we take around the reflection and the sum will go to the right hand side. So it will become minus x cube minus x square
minus 8S
minus 8s.
8
Okay. Now
multiple
to find out the breakaway point, what is the condition we are going to apply is we are going to apply a condition here. What it is means differential of a with respect to s domain is equal to what? 0. What we are going to apply? Differential of a with respect to ds is 0. Okay, so if I do that means what will become dk by ds? It will become what is the differential of s cube?
3S square
3s square minus 3s square. Next, what is the differential of 6s square?
12S
12. Yes. And what is the differential of 8s?
8
Yes, 8 is equal to what?
0
0. So if you take all the minus, what means
3 minus of 3S
12s, right? Okay. If you take all the minus option, it will become minus, and the opposite that is 0, so we take it as plus. So 3s square plus 12s plus 8 equal to what? 0. Okay. Now we have achieved what? Characteristic equation. Okay, how we do that? Characteristic equation, we have to go to the closed loop transfer function, that is g of h equal to 1 plus g of h. G of h is what? Our quotient. Our quotient is open loop transfer function, there is no h. So it is considered to be 1. So if we substitute and we do the mathematical calculation, we can attain p is equal to minus x cube minus 6 square minus 8x. Then what is the condition to find out the characteristic equation? dk by ds is equal to 0. So if we do that, we will be achieving the characteristic equation. So if we solve this 3s square plus 12s plus 8, we can solve it in your calculator, or you can use the mathematical formula minus b plus or minus root of a square minus 4ac by 2a. So if you substitute it out, it will be minus b means it's 12, right? Minus b plus or minus 2 numbers is 44 minus 4 into a means 4 into 3, right? 12 into 8 will become 96 divided by 2 into 8, which means 6. So that is equal to minus 1 plus, that is 44 minus 96 is how much? 48 divided by 6. This plus or minus. So we take root of 48. So how many it will be?
6.9.
So if it is around 6.9 means approximately we can take it as 7. So if we do it with 7 means it will become 12 plus 7 by 6, or since it is plus or minus it should be negative.
Minus
And that is minus 12 minus 7 by 6. So if it is plus minus 12 plus 7 means it will become minus 5 by 6. What is minus 5 by 6? Minus 0.8 something. Okay. So if you cancel this, if you look at the negative calculator, or else if you cancel this, you will be again minus 0.83 something or 84 something, right? 83. Okay. And next here, it is what? Minus 19 by 6. So if you do it, it will be like minus 3.1 something. Okay, correct? So now wherever root locus exists from 0 to minus 2. In these 2 points, which is lies between 0 to minus 2?
Minus 0.8.
Minus 0.8. It is minus 1 means here is 0.8, right? This will be our 0.8, right? Minus 0.8. So this point should be considered as a radial point. Okay, this is only there because between minus 2 and minus 4, root locus does not exist. Minus 3 comes where? Between minus 2 and minus 4 only minus 3 will come. So there is no root locus path. So we are neglecting that minus 3 one. Wherever radial point exists, that is minus 0.8. So remember that we have to mark that right away. Just to make it dot. You don't need to do that. Just to make a dot and make an arrow here somewhere in your graph sheet and mark that as greater than 1. Okay. Likewise, minus also you have to mark that self-dot. Okay. And in 60 degree and this 180 degree and this 300 degree, all that are your failures angle of asymptotes. In the graph we have to write it like this. Angle of asymptotes. Okay. Angle of asymptotes is 60 degree, 180 degree. We have to specify all these measurements in your graph sheet. Okay. And next step, what we have to do is, next we have to find out the next step. Step number 5. Finding the crossing point. Are you clear about this? The next one is finding the crossing point. That is step 5. Crossing point. The crossing point will come into what? Imaginary axis. Okay. We have to now consider the crossing point where it is going to cross. Okay. For that, we have to consider again the closed loop transfer function. What is the closed loop transfer function we have achieved finally? S cube. What is the characterization of the closed loop transfer function?
S cube minus
S cube
square
minus
S cube minus 6s square plus this
okay minus 6s square
minus 8s
minus 8s
equal
okay.
to 8.
That is k equal to, right? Then say this equation. Bring it all the way to the left side. That is equal to 0. That is this equation.
S cube
That
plus
is s cube plus
6s square
6s
plus
square plus
8s plus
k.
k
This is
equal
your
closed loop transfer.
closed loop transfer function is characteristic equation. Okay. After solving the condition we get with this, we achieve the equation to find out the value for s. But this is your characteristic equation for the closed loop transfer function. Have you We study this. That is S. How many terms are there?
Yes.
S cube, S
Yes.
square, S power quadruple, S
power
power 0. S cube which will be right technique or coefficient of S cube is 1, coefficient of S is 8. And for S square will be right technique even. This coefficient of S square is 6 and the constant K. For S square what do you have to do? If you remember this, we have to multiply these two. Minus of this divided by this one. This is the round curvature criterion which you might have to study in your maths for solving the equation. Okay, characteristics equation. For solving the characteristics equation, you might have been studying in your maths. That is the round curvature criterion. Just remember the thing. This is what you are going to do. This is for S cube. You have to consider the odd S power odd. S cube means if it is S power 4 means you will write it from S power 4. Okay, here maximum is S cube. So S cube is square S power 1 S power 0. For S cube we have to consider the odd S power. So S cube what it is? Coefficient is 1. And for S the coefficient is 8. And next for S square you have to consider the even. So even means S square. S square coefficient is 6. The constant K is present. So now 6 to 8 is 48. And what we have to minus of K into 1. That is minus K divided by the first term. That is 6. Here the next is what means next S1. S1 is what is that? S1 means what is it from 0 is?
So 1
1
1 1.
is 1. So here it is substituted K into 1. Can you assume like that? So S1 is what is from 0 is what? K. Now what we have to do? We have to equate everything into 0. That is first we have to equate this into 0. Find the value of K. What we have to do?
48 minus 8
by
minus 6
is
is
equal
equal
to
to
0. So 48 minus 6
is
equal
equal
to
to
0. Minus K is equal to minus 48. Minus cancel. K equal to what?
48.
48. Okay. And next what you have to do is you have to 6s square plus 3. How much is next? This term is done, right? K value is found out. That is what?
K equal to
48. Okay. Next to this term is here square term. Okay, you have to consider this. That is 6s square. What is there? Plus 8. That you have to equate to 0. Okay. So if you equate with the 6s square, what's the value of K then? 48 equal to 0. So it will be the 6s square is equal to minus 48. S square is equal to minus 48 by 6. That is S square is equal to
minus 8.
minus 8. Then S will
S
be
is equal to 4.
S is equal to
4.
shall we take it my root of minus 8. That is S is equal to plus or minus. What is root minus? Okay, root of minus what it is? It is imaginary term. J. If it is J, here our imaginary we have to consider it as J. So it is plus or minus J into root of minus what?
2.
2.2. Check it out. How much it is? Root 8. 2.8. 2.8. So value for S is what? Plus or minus J 0.8. So we know the imaginary axis. That is, now we know that is over here, right? 0 is a whole, minus 2 is a whole, minus 4 is a whole. Root also exists from 0 to minus 2 and from minus 4 to infinite. Okay, we know the centroid, that is minus 2, and we know the breakaway point, that is 0.8. normal what?
Yeah.
60 degree, 300 degree,
180.
and the straight line 180 degree. This much we have done. Now we have to check whether where it is crossing. So from the breakaway point, where it is from the breakaway point it will be crossing. Okay. So from the breakaway point, where it is crossing the imaginary line, plus 0. If it is here means okay. It is what? I am marking right. J,
2.8.
2j,
2.8.
3j, 4j like that. Okay. So mark it as j. Here it is 2j, and this is 3j. And here it is minus j, minus 2j, minus 3j like this. Okay. So plus j 2.8 is might be over here. Okay. It will come inside over here. If you correctly mark it as it becomes inside the area of the circle. So it will be over here. Okay. And minus 2.8 will be the other side. Just what you have to do, you have to cross from the breakaway point. Okay. From breakaway point, it moves towards imaginary axis at the plus. This point is what? Plus j 2.8. This point is what? Minus j 2.8. You have to mark it like this. Okay, this map. Clear? That's all. And this is your breakaway point. You will be marking like this. Okay, that's all about your root locus.